So one day, when it was nearly dinner time, the old man felt hungry, so he went into his garden.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Let's see if I get something fresh from the garden. Oh, wow! It's pizza! Such a great time to see harvest in my garden. Let's pull it out and having the dinner. Oh, it's not possible. Let me go the wife who help me. So please come and help. Yes, sir. Yes, I will help you.
So now the giant turnip was pulled by the farmer, and now the wife again pulled the farmer, but they were not able to take the giant turnip out.
Oh, this is not possible. Tell me what to help us. Yes, please can help us. Yes, auntie.
So now the farmer pulled the turnip, the wife pulled the farmer, and the boy pulled the lion. But still the giant turnip didn't came out.
Not coming up. Let me call the brave from the dear. Please come and help us.
Wait, from John, please come and help us.
Yes, my dear. We go ahead. Yes, what we did to make us. Yes,
So now the farmer pulled the turnip, the wife pulled the farmer, the boy pulled the lion, the dog pulled the boy, and now the sleeping cat. He is also trying very hard to take the giant turnip out from the garden, but they will not succeed right now. Yes.
Oh,